She is putting silver foil around the outside of the elliptical picture frame. The perimeter of an ellipse is given by the formula P equal to pi by 4 root r square plus 2s square, where r is the height and s is the breadth, as shown in the diagram below. If an elliptical frame has an outside height equal to 3 inches and an outside breadth equal to 5 inches, what is the outside parameter in inches? Basically, we want to find out the parameter of ellipse, and the formula for the ellipse is P equal to pi by 4 r square plus 2s square, where r is the height, and they are saying height is equal to 3, so r is 3, and s is the breadth, and breadth is equal to 5, so s equal to 5. So finally we just substitute r and s values in this equation. So r square is 3 square plus 2 into s square is 5 square, so it is pi by 4, and then it is 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25, into 2 is 50. So we are getting 5 by 4 root 59. Pi by 4 root 59. Choice is B, before Bengaluru.